If your business uses IT, then keep watching to the end. What happens when your network goes down? You get hacked or you can't send emails. A lot of people get upset. Business managers are responsible for ensuring that their technology is always operating correctly and securely. But who do you call when it doesn't, and why? Skip the frustration of having to constantly fix your IT with managed IT services from XBC Business Technology. Take a proactive approach to IT before it costs you time and money.
Our managed IT services guarantee value and keep your business running. A dedicated XBC technician will be an expert on your system and prevent problems happening with ongoing maintenance and monitoring.
We've been operating for over 35 years with a team of full-time staff right here on the Gold Coast. Not many IT service providers can say they don't contract overseas. We don't. We offer next-level IT services for our customers and can only do that by training our own people.
So, if you're tired of battling with computers when you have more important work to do, XBC can help. Contact us today for a complimentary IT network and security health checkup.